In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can split your screen and use them and also customize them on your Samsung Galaxy A17. Very, very simple and easy. So now let me open a couple apps and now let's do that. So I open Play Store first and now let's come back here. Let's move to this side. Let's move to Calculator 2 as well. And now let's also open that and then let's move to Google Gemini 2 as well. And now let's close that. All these apps, we need to split the screen. So we tap on the three bars here. You can see it on your screen. What we do is, you can see this here. What we are going to do is we tap on the app logo there and you can see split screen, open in split view. So we tap on that. Good. And now we select the app we want to open to as well. And now we split our screen into two. Good. So now I can use all these two apps at a go. I can also use Google Play Store too as well. Very, very, very simple. And that's it. You can also save this here. You pair the apps and then you save them. Very, very simple and easy. So you add it to your home screen. So anytime you open that, it's going to open the two apps at a go. So I think I'm going to cover that in a different video, but let me show you guys how to do that. So you just have to, to do that, you just tap on the three bars here again. And what we are going to do is we tap on the app on top there again and you see add pair, just tap on add pair. And then we add it to our home screen. Good. And now let's come back here and you can see the two of them. So now it's like a whole app, a single app. When I tap on that, I'm going to open Play Store and Calculator at the same time. So if you normally use two apps at a go, I think this is the best for you. This is one of the best features I like on the Samsung Galaxy A17. So if you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.